Reverse plank pose or Purvottanasana is an intermediate back bending pose that builds strength and flexibility. It is also an unbalancing posture that is empowering, energizing, and strengthening. It is sometimes used as a counter pose to forward folds, such as seated forward bend, Paschimottanasana, and full body strength building poses such as four limb staff pose, Chaturanga Dandasana. This pose is commonly referred to by several different names, including upward plank, reverse plank, inclined plane, inclined plank, or upward plane. However, the Sanskrit name for this pose, Purvottanasana, actually translates to intense east stretch. This comes from four words: Purva meaning east, Ut meaning intense, Tan meaning to stretch, Asana meaning pose. Begin in Dandasana. Bring your hands several inches behind your hips and rotate your palms so your fingertips point in the same direction you are facing, toward your toes. Keep your hands shoulder distance apart. Externally rotate your upper arms as you press your hands down firmly into the mat. Draw your shoulder blades firmly into your back and allow your chest to lift naturally. The chest is lifting and the legs are engaged. On an inhalation, press your hands and feet down firmly and lift your hips up to the ceiling. Keep your chest lifting and your spine is in one straight line. Work toward pressing the soles of feet into the floor. The hips are raised to a point until your toes can touch the floor. The neck is engaged to keep the head parallel to the floor. Chest is lifted. The buttocks are gently squeezed. The legs are engaged strongly and hugging into midline. Breathe while holding the pose. Exhale, release and lower the hips down to the ground and return to Dandasana. For beginners and with tight shoulders and hips, Purvottanasana can be practiced with the knees bent. The hands are placed at shoulder distance and the feet hip distance. In an inhalation, the shoulders roll back, the chest is lifted. Exhale, the hips are rolled up, slightly higher than the knees. The hands are pushing through and the legs are engaged strongly, hugging to midline. The big toes are pressing into the mat. These actions help to keep the torso lifted. The wrists are directly under the shoulders and the ankles directly under the knees. To release, exhale and lower the hips down and return back to Dandasana.